How to cancel a eBay purchase after an hour. First of all you have to do is navigate to a web browser, then log into your eBay account on the eBay homepage and hover over My eBay at the top right corner of your screen, and from the drop down menu select Purchase History. Find your order that you want to cancel. In the middle right, you find a drop down menu that reads More Actions. Click it and select Contact Seller option available there. On this page, select Request to cancel this order and select in the newly opened window the link Contact the Seller option available there. On this page, select Request to cancel this order and select in the newly opened window the link Contact the Seller, and here you can now send your cancellation request to the seller. State your reason for your cancellation and photos if needed, and check the box to send a copy of your cancellation to your email. If everything is done, you can send the message and you are done. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.